Today we're going to have a look at this Makita DHP458 heavy duty hammer drill. She's got 3 different settings that you can use it on. You can use it on drill, you can use it for putting in screws, or you can use it as a hammer drill for drilling through concrete. It also has 2 different speed settings. Today we're going to be using a 16mm drill bit, so we're going to use it in the slow setting, so we've got more torque. So this is a 16mm Adam chisel tip bit. I reckon these are the best bits that you can buy for drilling through the hardwood that grows around here. It's got a good screw tip for pulling itself into the wood. As you're using this bit, it pulls itself in, so once you get it going, if anything, you have to sit back on it so it doesn't cut too quick, because you need to have time for the shavings to work its way out, because if you jam it in and you try and cut too fast, all these shavings get clogged up in here and you eventually get the bit stuck in the post. Let's see how this bit handles this rosed rail over here. So this is the rail that we're going to be boring today. We used to have the wire just looped around it here, but the post is pulled over in the wet, and so the temporary fix, we're just going to bore a hole straight through here to put the wire around to tie it back up so the cattle can't jump over it. So when you're going to use this drill in with these bigger bits, this handle comes with a kit, and you put it on so that if the drill jams, it doesn't spin out of your hand. So you just put her over the top. You get these 2 little marks to line up, and you wind her up. Now, even if this bit gets jammed in this rail, the drill still shouldn't screw out of my hands. So as soon as I had it started and this was screwing to the wood, she was pulling in, and so I was sitting back on it so it didn't cut too quick. You could see all the shavings coming out. That saved it from getting jammed in the rail. And this Makita drill had plenty of power to put this 16mm bit through this 10-year-old hardwood rosewood post.